Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fort Thomas, local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of movers will provide you with plenty of options when you book a long-distance move with us, such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. There are plenty of options to consider when you need to complete a long-distance move. Our team can make your move super easy, whether you're going 100 miles away, 500, 1,000, or even 2,000 miles away. There are plenty of options for a local move. A good Kentucky moving company can make your move super easy. If you want to save time and energy on any type of local move, hiring professional movers just makes sense. 3 Movers uses a streamlined moving process. We can help you get to your new location sooner and settle in with more energy. If a move will take you about a week to complete, we can do it in less than a day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Fort Thomas moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.